No, I'm not married.
No.
We're doing a sample
We're
to see how many people like these kind of chips and
because like we're gonna do it for a fundraiser.
Senor, come back.
It's a fundraiser for the kids in China. You know, like the homeless.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Yes.
So we're.
please. It's because they're gonna go on search, but we don't know if people like them.
No, we're serious. This is
Okay,
serious.
can you give me the can?
Okay.
No, but you have to put it right.
No, it's nothing.
Wait,
Not
Is it?
slant it or
No.
it will pop.
Just
Just put it.
What,
Just
you guys-
open it.
Just open it.
Try
Is it
one.
gonna blow up?
No.
No, we swear.
We promise it won't. Just try one. It's nothing.
Alright, guys, we'll stay right here.
Look, just try it and then tell us if you like it.
Yeah, because we just need proof that we actually went to people.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's why we're recording, because this is for our
It's so good.
500 points. Could you try it, please?
Just be like our.
This is really good, please.
Please.
I want to see someone else do it.
Jose, wait.
Oh wait, hold on.
Jose.
They're great. They're fantastic.
No, please. Well,
I think they're better
Try
than
them.
Lay's.
We're trying to sell some for the kids in China.
How much are they for
So,
one box?
Like
I think
for like $1. So if you could try one, that'll help us.
that's pretty
Oh,
good.
they just open it and eat it, please.
It's nothing. Just try it out.
Been there, done that.
What do you mean?
Come on, Jose.
No, Jose.
That's a joke.
Hey, come to me. Went to the parking lot.